Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. It has been a while since I've shared a running video. I'm out here on a beautiful day in Venice, Florida. Woke up to 49 degrees. We're Floridians now, man. The blood gets thin. But a beautiful day for a training run. Got a couple special shout outs today. I'm rocking my Buckeye glasses, so hey, Buckeye Nation. We got a big game today. Indiana. They're undefeated. We'll take care of business in the shoe, so hope everyone has a good time. We're gonna win this week. We're absolutely gonna win against that team up north next week. And then guess what? We get to beat Oregon in the Big Ten Championship. My other shout out is to the Be Our Guest Lizards and all of you attempting your first dopey challenge or your 10th. Hey, that's not me this year. I did my first in January. I've shared I might be one and done. I loved it once I finished it and got all the bling. I'm in it for the bling, you guys know that. But it was the time involved. The training time. I don't have that kind of time. I have figured that out. So hats off to you guys that do. And I'll be cheering you on. We're doing the 5K, the 10K, and the half in January. You know, no big thing. But anyway, good luck on those training runs. I'm actually out here. Well, number one, I got to train for January. We did the Wine and Dine half in November. That one, we weren't crazy about that one. I mean, come on, you don't get to run down Main Street, USA? What's up, Disney? Anyway, this is a little teaser run video for virtual races that we're doing. It's called the 12Ks of Christmas. And that 12Ks is actually, you know, running for 5Ks, right? Am I doing my math right? Anyway, Shane and I we're both running this weekend, getting our miles in. Later today, we're gonna do the unboxing of those medals. We did one last year. I'll put a link to that. But it's really fun to do the virtual races. And these are really sweet. You'll see the medals and the other goodies that come with it. But just my public service announcement, get out there, move your body, do hard things. See everybody later. Go Bucks.
Hey, Michelle.
First of all, Shane, OH.
Ayo! Game day.
Game day.
Hey, who are we? Big Chen with Shane and Michelle.
Oh, we sometimes forget to tell everybody that. You don't know us by now?
We don't know us by now.
Hey, it's an exciting day. You saw I put in Shane right before we started. Here, I was on my run today.
Oh.
And I was plugging the virtual runs from RunDisney. And Shane, we did another 12Ks of Christmas.
12Ks of Christmas.
Yes, 12K. How much is 12K? Do the math.
12K, 4 times 3 is 12. So that's going to be 3 5Ks.
3 5Ks.
There we go.
There we go.
Well, and we're training again for
3 5Ks, a 12K. Yes, 3 5Ks. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times.
Oh, it's 4 or 5.
Wait a minute.
We better wait. We better start this over.
We don't even know math, everybody. No, we're not going to start over. We're going to figure that out.
All right.
We'll plug in what that means.
All right. So
You didn't
it's
start, you
the
didn't.
12. And we're on.
Okay, go ahead.
It is the 12Ks of Christmas.
Woo, woo. All right.
12
4 3Ks.
How many?
4
3Ks.
All right.
4 3Ks. We were getting the 5 mixed up.
5 because it's a 5K.
Yeah, we're thinking 5Ks. Don't pay any attention to us. Yes.
4 3Ks.
4 3Ks. It's 4 3Ks.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
This
We're
is
gonna.
like Christmas.
So we have not opened the box yet.
Oh, Obi's interested.
And Shane, one thing that's new that's different from last year is they are promoting Echelon.
I noticed.
Congratulations. So there's
Yeah.
some kind of sponsorship there, which,
Bring the tennis shoes back. Hello, New Balance. Okay.
there you go. There's our plug. Okay, 12Ks. Guess who's on the nice list? So they're thanking us for participating, and whether you've already slayed it, get it? Slay.
Yeah.
Or you're taking your time, which I kind of
doing
did
both.
today.
We're doing both.
We hope all the festive running fun has put you in a jolly good mood. So
right.
I would say it had. So let's see. Let's start with the non-metals, Shane.
Okay.
I just want to start here.
Aww.
How cute is this? Last year we had a red one.
Yeah.
This
red.
year it's a
With
cream color. You know the Tommy
love
Bahama
it.
Christmas was cream too. What's with cream and Christmas this year?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe we're.
That is really cute.
Isn't
though.
that a cute?
That is
and they're
really
and
cute.
what we like about it,
it's the light.
they're lightweight for
us.
Florida.
Yeah, for us. Okay.
So that's great. Now last year we had a hot chocolate cocoa bomb. This year is Twinings, a plug. I'm sorry, it's not Twinings. I think it's
No.
Twinnings.
Because that's where we were at.
We were in the
for-
UK pavilion at Epcot. I will put a link to that
Yeah.
video
There's a
because
whole
that's a
building
London.
there.
There's a whole building there and it's really
Yeah.
good. Herbal tea winter spice, a relaxing moment with a sweet apple flavor of savory cinnamon, cardamom, and clove. That
Ooh.
sounds nice and Christmassy. And no caffeine, so it'll be a nice evening tea.
All right.
So we gotta
all right,
try
all
that.
right. And then they give you a cup.
Oh, a travel mug. Okay, we got a travel mug last year, and that's Corksicle.
That is adorable.
Corksicle
Oh
are
my
pricey,
gosh, look
pricey
how
cups.
Cute that is.
Yeah,
All right.
show them the back with the Corksicle. So that's the brand.
And it's a nice rubbery.
Yeah, those
here,
will
wait,
be
wait,
good.
wait.
Now-
here's the big deal.
Is it going to fit in your
No,
cup
no,
holder?
not
What are you
that.
looking at?
Is it dishwasher safe?
Well, we know how that goes. If it isn't,
It doesn't.
we are not here for the non-dishwasher safe,
Wait,
non-microwave.
wait,
You
no.
won't be able to microwave this, I can tell you this. Look, it's going to be
No,
metal.
I know you can't microwave, but it doesn't say. But it's a nice rubbery bottom.
Because I think it's metal on the inside.
Oh, it is. It
Okay.
is. You're right. But dishwasher.
All
not-
right.
not microwave.
Now we'll start with these. It's time for the bling, Shane.
Okay, you open that up, and I'll open the.
ribbon. So what they give you is 12Ks. I'm sorry, it is 3 4Ks.
3 4K.
Joe, you were wrong. So 3 4Ks. Oh
3.
my gosh. Okay. Same as last year, Shane, in terms of the form
I
of
know.
it, but it's really cute. This one is goofy, and then it's got something
At the
there. So I'm gonna hang him on the tree like we did last year.
Yeah.
That looks really cute. We still have the tags on it. We'll take care of that later, okay?
It would be
And
4
this
4K.
is the
Huh?
It'd be 4 4K.
It's 4
3.
4Ks would be 16K.
16K.
It's 12K, but that said 4K on the back of the ornament.
this is
It's
4K.
3 4Ks.
Okay.
3 times
Not
4, yes.
Right.
I didn't
We're all new here to math, everybody. No, we're all kind of.
All right. The
Okay,
next
Shane,
one.
the next one is a red one. And they do have nice corresponding ribbons that you're getting.
They do.
now.
I know.
Yeah.
They are so pretty.
This is oh my gosh, look at this one.
Pretty.
That is Donald and Daisy. Really cute. Same bottom, but real pretty with the gold
Yeah, I
and the
like-
deep red.
See?
Very
There, yeah.
nice, very nice.
Yep,
So
yep,
hang
yep.
that one right there. Fine.
All right.
At some point.
We have another green.
So another, this,
Four.
I like because these are different colors from last year.
Yeah.
They're completely different colors, which is great. Whoops. Okay, here is Pluto and all his finest with his virtual 4K.
That is adorable. And his.
Now
is
I
green.
ran, 4K is how many miles?
Yeah.
If a
Because
5K is 3.1, then a 4K,
A 1K is,
you don't even
well,
know.
1K is 0.6 miles, 1,000 meters.
All right, I
1,000
ran
meters,
8
1,000
miles today.
1,000 meters
So I
is
think
a 1K.
I did it, Shane. I
pretty
think I
good.
did it. I think
You
that
did
I
8
did. I
miles.
think I did well. Okay, hanging that one down here so we can see
All right.
that. All right, we have one more, Shane. If you want to get that ribbon out.
All right. Oh,
This
red.
is,
That's
oh
another
my
red
gosh,
color.
this one is so cute. This is when you do them all. When
Yeah.
you do the 3 4Ks.
And
Now,
how much was this one again? I don't remember.
I will put the price
No,
in. I think
$195?
this one is around $249. It is not the cheapest race that they do by any stretch.
Virtual 12Ks of Christmas challenge.
Oh, look
Aw,
at
but
that one.
But it's just the
And it says,
ornament.
"I did it."
I did it. Oh my
Isn't
goodness.
that cute?
Look how cute that is.
That is really cute. So
That
that's
one is adorable.
The challenge medal, right? I mean, if you've done all 4.
Yeah, and
Here's
look,
the thing.
really.
We were always running.
Did they all have like a little middle thing at the top?
No. Only the challenge one does. That last year they had the same thing.
That has the RunDisney logo on
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll find a spot
All
for
right,
that
we'll
one.
put that one up here somewhere. All right.
Don't take too long. Your rotating tree will go right by it.
I know it will. Rotating tree. Okay.
So Shane, that
That's
is
it.
it, everybody. Here's the thing with the virtual. They will promote them online. You sign up just like you sign up for any Run Disney race. The good thing is, though, Shane, it's not like they're
Well, it's
going
not
in
as
2
bad.
minutes.
Yeah, to get in there and
They
get them all.
so yeah, just it gets you out there. It's something fun to do with the family. A family could do the run. Maybe you could each take an ornament. That would be fun.
Absolutely.
The other thing, Shane, did you see they have a Valentine's Day one out right now?
That's new. They've never had a Valentine's Day.
Here's the thing with Run Disney.
But how much is
they
that
wrap they get your money in advance. They will wrap you up and hang up your money for months. We know that because we haven't even run in January
Yeah,
yet.
the marathon's coming.
And they've got our money
So
for
how
all
much
that.
is the Halloween one? I mean Valentine's Day one.
Probably about the same. We
Was
will
it?
put the
We'll look
price
at-
in.
Yeah, I don't
think
remember.
it's $249.
I remember seeing it, but I don't remember how much
I
it is.
think I looked at it and thought, do I need to do that or do we need to do it? We'll look in the new year, see if it's still available. Because it is the first time they've done
That is the
Valentine's.
one good thing with the virtuals is they don't sell out as quickly. So you
No, they don't. They don't sell out to the very end. Hey, as long as they printed enough and made enough of the medals,
they'll keep selling.
it doesn't matter because you're not out there running with thousands and thousands. So
So
Shane,
see, they blend right in.
oh,
Here
they do.
it is.
There it is, coming back around there.
Coming back around. There's a Goofy.
So here is what we have done. Or I can say what I have done, Shane. Last year, when we first did this race, I did what Shane did on her tree here, and I put them all individually. Then when Christmas was over and it was time to pack up all the ornaments, I grabbed these, and then I'll put in a link to my setup for my medals. I put them in with my medals. This year already, last year's of these, I've taken them off the medal rack and have hung them up as an ornament. And you can leave them, they're really cute. I saw you did that with Joe's tree in his office. You can hang them up with
we just left
this
them on.
too. You can just leave it on, which I think is really nice.
Yeah, so I theme every tree in the house. So Joe's tree is the gaming and active tree.
Oh, that's fun.
So yeah,
That's fun. Well, yeah, so
all right.
another Run Disney
12
12Ks.
Ks of Christmas, because I get it now. Get it? 12 Ks of Christmas.
I have got that. I just was not figuring out the mileage. Anyway, you know, folks.
Just get out there and get moving because it's Thanksgiving, Christmas time. I think it's just a good opportunity, even if you walk them, to get out and do it. So,
yeah.
and actually,
Absolutely. We've definitely got our 12Ks in, so.
all right, so we're making all of your moments magical here.
In Florida and beyond.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Shake 10.